Okay, everyone, in the past lesson, we learned about a slideshow and the thing we can use here. We also have record. You can record your show or anything you want. There are some features that we are going to learn in the end of this course, but you don't really need them. Today, what we are going to do, we are going to make everything okay and learn about the things that we forgotten to tell you. We have a help option. You can use it, but don't really use it, but you can use it if you want. And you can also contact support or get feedback or help or show training. They have many options you can use. I don't really use them, but you can if you want. In View, you can do a lot of things. For example, a slide shorter, normal, outline view. I always use normal, but these views are good, not bad. You can use them. I don't really use them, but if you want, they are easy to use. You can use them. They have many things for you. You can say color, gray styles, grayscale. You can do many things. When you press on grayscale, everything you created. Let me, for example, create a shape and go to view and make it grayscale. Everything is going to be a gray. How, for example, if we make it green, it's going to be gray. And you can also have black and white. I don't prefer using them, but if you like, you can use them. I also have fit to window option. We have zoom. You can change the zoom here, but I always using by the cursor, not these options. And you can also create a new window, have two windows of your PowerPoint, or you can also switch windows and do micro name and anything else. Okay, let's learn about a little of shortcuts in this lesson. We have many shortcuts are useful in PowerPoint, but some of them I use them. I'm going to tell you about. One of them is Control S. What Control S doing? Whenever you do your PowerPoint, you want to save it. You can save it from here, or you can save it from here, or you can save it from here as a new file. But you can also save it by pressing Control S. When you press Control S, your PowerPoint is going to be saved. You can copy the object by Control C, paste them by Control V, cut them by Control X, paste them by Control V, and you can also put back your work by using here, undo your work, and you can do this also by Control Z. Control Z done the job greatly. And you also have Control Y here to do it as it's right here, redo paste. And I want you to don't forget, we have for many of them, we have many shortcuts here. You can search for shortcuts, I think, in the net and find a lot of them, but it's not important to know all of them. You must learn about the ones that are needed for you to use it better. You can also search if you forget where the comment, for example, search insert text or search, for example, icon. You find everything you want here. And let me say what we forgotten to tell you about. We learn almost everything, but there are two more shortcuts that are important. For resizing shape, I really use them. One of them is Shift. By pressing Shift, your shape is going to resize. You see what is the problem? It's going to resize in a perfect way. And when you are moving your shape by Shift, it's going to move in two lines, in X and Y. It's moving more line to the lines. And when you use Control, it copy your object when you by doing Control, and you can also increase the size of your project both ways by pressing Control. You see, by pressing Control, we are doing great to resizing our project and creating it. I think we don't forget anything. This is the end of our PowerPoint tutorial course. We learn everything we need. This is enough, more than enough, I say. You know everything you need, but I'm not going to end this course. I'm going to create a template for you to better understand how to create PowerPoint presentation. You know how to work with it. I'm going to teach you how create them and how use them. Okay, until the next lesson we start our phase 2 of our course. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you want anything in the comments.